Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the facial detection techniques using machine learning and deep learning techniques. So here we go. Our agenda. First of all, we need to import the libraries. After that, we need to plot the sample images to see whether our data is in perfect way or not. Next, we're going to generate our training and validation batches. That means we're going to divide the data into training and testing models. After that, we create some CNN models for convolution layers. After that, we need to train. That means we need to validate the information which was came from the CNN model. After we need to save the output as a JSON file. After that, we use all the resources for generating the output. Here we go. First one, we need to have these libraries pre-installed in our system to need to run or use all these things. First one is NumPy, next one is Seaborn, next Matplotlib, then Utils, and then TensorFlow. Here we are using the latest version of TensorFlow 2.2. After plotting the images, Utils, we are going to plot the images in a scale. Utils is very useful for this. Then generating training and validation batches. We need to divide the data into two parts as we know very well, the training data and the testing data. Here the training data goes of 80% of the data and the testing data can have 20% from the raw data. Next we need to have the CNN models. That means we need to initialize a CNN using sequential. Next we having a four convolution layers. After that after these convolution layers we connect them fully. That means fully connect convolution layer will be implemented. Then training evaluation model, we need to check the model for by the accuracy. Next one, represented model as a JSON string. That means we need to save the output as a JSON file. Then for this one, next I will go for a code explanation. Here importing, these are the libraries we going to import. For this one I had already run all the codes, so this is the next step, plotting the images. Here we are. This is the images data set for how many images according to the expression surprise, happy, neutral, angry, sad, disjunct, fear. This disjunct will get a low accuracy because of the training data is very less for that one. Then generating the training validation batches. Image size is 48 and batch size is 68. Here we going to divide the images into two parts. Here one is for training and another one is for testing. This is for training and this is for testing. Almost 28,709 images were moved for training and 7,178 images for testing. Next we are going for create a CNN model. In this model we are using four convolution layers. For each layer we going to have the input size shape as 48 into 48 and it is a 2D convolution layer. After that we going to decrease the things. After executing this we will get these types of things: total number of images, transfill pamps and non-transfill pamps. After that we need to test the convolution layer which we had done before. For that one we are using training and evaluation model. Here we going to use this as a class, plot loss backlogs and checkpoint. In the histogram we going to use these type of graphs. Here the overall accuracy was around 60 to 70. I got 67. Overall accuracy I got is 67%. After that we going to save our model in this way as a JSON file. Now we're going to run our command and run our all these codes for getting our output. Here we go. I'm using the name as video tester.py for running those things. It will take some time for activating the GPU of the system. We'll need to have our face in a clear way. So it will say happy, fear, surprise, and neutral also. So here is our project. Thank you.